Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin, Aqua. At yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. At gusto ko po kayong batiin ng maligaya pong Pasko. At para po sa inyo at sa inyo pong mga mahal sa buhay na maging masaya, na maging masaya po itong kaarawan po ng ating Panginoon. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano yung mensahe para sa'yo, Aqua. Wow, backstabbing. Healthy choices. Passion. So, Aqua, ito yung sinasabi dito na nakaranas ka ng paghihiwalay o nawala sa'yo o merong sakit sa damdamin na experience mo, and maybe it's something to do sa pagsisinungaling or something na hindi mo akalain na mangyayari sa'yo. Okay? Na nakakabigla na nangyari ito sa'yo. Kung ba, hindi mo ina-expect na may mangyayari sa'yo something na magdudulot ng pain, ng sakit, no? Yung sakit sa damdamin. Kaya siguro sinasabi dito na, love yourself, have a healthy choice para sa sarili mo, para mas maging masaya ka. And bumalik yung passion na yon with the right person, yung talagang may chemistry ka with. Hindi yung basta-basta sino-sino lang, but really somebody na talagang really is there for you. Na yung talagang makita mo pa lang siya, iba na yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Yung there is this heat, yung init ng damdamin for this person, na maibalik mo yun. Kasi syempre after experiencing something na painful, na masakit mo, kahit pa paano ano mo pa kung may sugat pa yung puso mo, kaya ayaw mo muna talagang magseryoso sa isang tao o sa isang relationship. Gusto mo munang gumaling yung iyong dinaan ng eksperyensya na hindi maganda, para pagdating nga ng pangyayari na to, pagkakataon na to, wala na yung pain na yon, ready ka na to be in a relationship again and express your passion with this person. Okay, so tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung meron message para sa'yo, Aqua. So many. We have the Four of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, the Six of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Bottom niya is the Nine of Wands. Okay, Aqua. So, Nine of Wands dito is, of course, you're getting tired. Pagod na no? Nakakapagod talaga na to be just there, standing, protecting your relationship or protecting your heart, as if waiting for something na hindi mo naman sure kung ano ba, dadating ba to o hindi. Lalo na kung andun ka na sa state na, you just want to be alone and be really thinking about things. Ina-assess mo kung ano nangyari dati. Pinag-iisipan mo mabuti kung anong dapat mong gagawin sa susunod. Ano ba yung pagkakamali na dapat itama this time. Maraming bagay, no? Maraming bagay na talagang you should be contemplating about or meditating or really getting into a very deep thinking. This is card of the Hermit, which is a Virgo energy. The reason that you are thinking so hard and wanted to be alone for the moment, no, sa pang sandali man lang to, is because you wanted a new beginning with the Ace of Wands. A new beginning of passion, something new na mabubuhay muli yung iyong init, yung init sa damdamin mo na, oo, gusto ko itong gawin, na bumalik muli yung excitement na yon, yung energy na yon na talagang, gusto ko itong gawin. Talagang hindi ako, kung gawa parang i-start ko na, yung ganong enthusiasm. You want to feel that way again. Kasi nga, yung pinagdaanan mo, if you were in a bad relationship before, you are trying to heal, having this hermit energy na being on your own, ako muna, wala mo nang pag-socialized, because I wanted to heal myself and hopefully start anew, mag-start muli. Kasi if I can do that, then it means, I'll be happy with the sun. Magiging masaya ako muli. And that's what I wanted. Gusto kong bumalik yung passion na yon within me, and so I could be happy. Express myself again. Kung gawa, na-overcome mo na yung pinagdaanan mong hindi maganda. Kaya, ito, first card mo dito, the Four of Swords, which leads you to rest and think, magpahinga, mag-isip, magdasal, Huwag mo nang, sabi ko nga, huwag mo nang makipag-socialize, huwag mo nang mag-date, huwag mo na i-consider yung mga umaaligid dyan na pumuporma sa'yo, o ikaw, yung mga taong gusto mong pormahan, hindi mo muna gagawin. Take it as it resonates, Aqua. Kaya, tama lang, kasi kung meron ka talagang pinagdaanan na yung hindi mo akalain na may experience mo, it's really something na talaga you need to absorb everything first and understand what went wrong, because you're an Aquarius. Yung pag-iisip mo, it is truly working pag sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. Iniisip mo yan mabuti. Bakit nagkaganon? Saan ako nagkamali? O saan nagkamali? Ano yung hindi namin nagawang tama? That is why the challenge is to make that change. The challenge is to have the cycle move, gumalaw, mabago, to move forward, to go to a new cycle nga. And what I want to do is, of course, go to a place na mas tahimik, something calm, something that, na would clear my head with the Six of Swords. Kasi dito ko lang makikita yung peacefulness or things will be much easier for me to see how things should be. Diba? So I could clear my head. Sabi nga nila, maklear ko yung aking isipan. And of course, ang gusto ko is maramdaman muli yung pag-ibig na yon. Maibigay muli yung pag-ibig na yon sa tamang tao. With the Queen of Cups. Kasi yun naman yung tama eh. You know, you don't like, in other words, Aqua, what I'm trying to say is, you love to love people. Gusto mo talagang mahalin ng maraming tao. Para kasamasa eh. You know, you are thinking of more of other people rather than yourself. But love has to start within you. You know, to be able to give that love to everybody. That is why, with that kind of thinking, you will be successful with the Six of Wands. Gusto mo to eh. You wanted to be happy and successful and be able to do a lot of things for other people. Ganun ka magmahal, Aqua. There's so much passion in you pagdating sa other people. But of course, sabi ko nga, it has to start from you. It has to start love from you. That's why it is very important that you make a healthy choice. Na tama yung pipiliin mo. Yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Okay? Hindi lang yung dahil mahal mo, mahal ka, kung hindi ito yung tama para sa'yo, para sa person. So, tignan natin, bakit andito yung Four of Swords? Ba't andito yung Four of Swords? We have the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Queen of Swords. And the Knight of Cups. You are trying to think about yung investment mo, yung time that you spend with this person. Yung, kung ba yung pinundar mo na oras, panahon, pagmamahal dito sa person na to. And it is really something na ikaw, you yourself, because you are the Queen of Swords, iniisip mo rin yung panahon, oras, atensyon na binigay niya sa'yo. Hindi lang yung binigay mo, kundi binigay rin niya sa'yo. And you are thinking yung offer of love na sinabi niya, yung mga pinangako niya, no? Nung time na nililigaw ka pa niya o ikaw yung nililigaw, maybe those, what are the words that you have said to this person. So in other words, talagang binigyan mo ng pagkakataon to reevaluate what happened. Kung ano nangyari, kung anong pinagdaanan nyo noon, ngayon, and all that is in between. Bakit andito yung Wheel of Fortune? Bakit andito yung Wheel of Fortune? We have the Page of Swords. We have the Five of Cups. And the Seven of Wands. Yung nagiging challenging kasi is yung message na to. Message na mabilis dadating. Something that is very, sabihin natin masakit. Something very unexpected and straightforward communication. Na ang pakiramdam mo magre-regret ka o something that you would regret na nangyari ito. Kasi this Page of Swords might be you sending out that message. You know, yung pagsasabi mo na, hindi mo na kasi ma-hold it. You just have to tell exactly do sa person mo after going through the stage of thinking, reassessing everything. Dadating yung time na talagang nako, kailangan mag-usap na kami. Ganun yung sasabihin mo na talaga eh. Hindi na to pwede na tahimik lang ako. We need to talk. And you know that having this energy na pagsasabi na to, sending this message, there might be some issues na magre-regret ka. Kasi, syempre, pag galit tayo, we say a lot of things, hurtful things. And magiging very defensive ngayon yung pakiramdam mo o yung behavior. Diba? It could be you or it could be your person. Syempre, pag nag-usap na, no, nagsalita na, you in your defense, di ba? Protektahan mo talaga yung sarili mo. Hindi mo na ako pwedeng saktan pa. Which is very logical. Kasi kung may ginawa na tong tao na to na masakit, no, something that is truly backstabbing, no? Yung tipong, sinaksak mo ko sa likod, yung mga tipong ganun. Eh, syempre, puprotektahan mo ni sarili para hindi niya na magawa muli yun sa'yo. No, but andito yung Six of Swords. Yung unang bumaksak is the World. And then the Nine of Pentacles. And then the Six of Cups. So, yung Six of Swords, dito, is really wanting to go to a much peaceful place, no, for you to able to discuss things, to clear your head, to clear things up. Yun, ito na yung end ng cycle. Ang purpose mo dito is to talk, to discuss things, and just to end everything. Tapusin na natin to. Bakit? Kasi with the Nine of Pentacles, I just want to be I just want to be by myself. Gusto ko maging single muli. Kung ikaw ay in a relationship or ikaw is in married, gusto mo na maging single muli. Just focus on yourself and really work on your finances, work on your career, be independent of your person. Yun yung gusto mo. Ito yung sasabihin mo sa kanya na, hindi, mabuti pa maghiwalay na tayo, magkanya-kanya na tayo, kasi mas tahimik pa tayong dalawa. Let's just separate. Ganon. And with the Six of Cups, this is somebody na alam mo from your past na maiintindihan ka. No? Kasi matagal yung pinagsamahan nyo. Masakit man, but this is somebody na who would get what you're trying to say. Baka nga naging magkababata mo pa ito naging kayo lang muli. But somehow it seems to be not working in a relationship. Now, bakit andito yung Queen of Cups? Andito yung Queen of Cups. We have the Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and the Eight of Pentacles. You wanted to bring back love sa iyong buhay. You want to be able to express love muli sa isang tao na alam mong karapat-dapat ng iyong pagmamahal. And somebody would really offer you something very solid. Something na talagang maiintindihan mo, na ma-appreciate mo. Kasi hindi lang naman pagmamahal yung hinahanap mo, but also you are thinking of stability, security. Siyempre yung practical side of life. That is why having that Page of Pentacles, yung may pakita sa something very tangible, means a lot to you. Kasi makikita mo yung gaano ka-serious yung tao sa iyo eh. O ikaw, this is what you intended to present sa person na makikita mo. Because for you, it is something as a proof na pinapakita mo sa tao na, uy, hindi lang ako like-like ka, hindi lang gusto-gusto ko ta, but I really have this strong love for you, no? Kino-consider kita na love, hindi lang like. Kaya pinipresent ko sa iyo to. Ganun. Kaya with the High Priestess, you are using your intuition with regards to this relationship or with this person. And you want to work on it with the Eight of Pentacles. Gusto mong i-work out itong relationship nito because you know that once you've seen or you felt again this love for this person, it needs work, no? It needs to be worked out. Hindi naman yan basta madidevelop na lang ng wala kayong ginagawa. You have to do your share and your person has to do his or her share. Kaya alam mo, no, na mayroong dapat mangyari o magkaroon ng movement o pagkalaw o may effort. It has to have some effort on it. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun lang. Hindi lalago ang isang bagay o isang halaman kung hindi ito inaalagaan. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin yung mga nasa bundok, God is the one taking care of that. Kaya siya nagpo-flourish, lumalago, dumadami, namumunga. Ganun din tayo, no? With this person. Now, bakit andito yung Six of Wands? We have the Hierophant, the Chariot, and the Ace of Cups. Aqua, you want to be successful, of course. You want to be successful in marriage or in a relationship. And you wanted it to be fast, no? Magkaroon ng mabilis na yung sana pag dumating na siya, gusto mo ganun, mabilis na yung pag-develop nito. And it is a sign for you kasi of a new beginning in love with the Ace of Cups. Panibagong pag-uumpisa ng pag-ibig para sa'yo. And that's a time, of course, passion will be coming in. Again, mararamdaman mo yan. Because you made a healthy choice. Diba? Pinili mo yung tama para sa sarili mo. You will be successful, Aqua, once you make that healthy choice in a relationship or in a marriage because you want things to move forward. Tama na yung nakaraan. Magtingnan natin yung parating. That's what you wanted. And that is a sign for you of new love coming in. Diba? Very, very, very nice. It's beautiful. Aqua, napakaganda. So you just, you know what to do. You're very intelligent, Aqua. Matalino ka. Alam mo yun, alam mo gagawin. Alam mo kung paano didiskartehan. Tingnan na natin yung timing. Kailan mangyayari ito for Aqua. Oh, it says here, springtime. Ang springtime po sa ibang bansa would start March, April, May. That is springtime. So, ganun din yun sa atin. Between March to May. Okay, Aqua? So, that is something to look forward to pagdating dito sa person na iniintay mo na you will be successful with. Okay, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka, God bless, and Merry Christmas.